Hello and welcome to another video about how to use Navigator with LiveCode. This time I'm going to talk about the script menu in Navigator. That is this button right here and the menu that it opens. It allows you to display a list of all of the handlers in any object that you've selected. So first I want to show the buttons that I have here, and I have a variety of buttons. This shows the different coloration of those buttons in Navigator. So buttons that have a script are in blue, buttons that have a behavior are green, buttons with a script and a behavior are a light shade of purple, and that's configurable within Navigator, so you can change that out pretty easily. And this is the button that has the script that these two have as their behavior. And buttons that, or objects that have a behavior where the behavior object doesn't exist are marked in red, so you can easily find those. So let's take a look at this button right here. If I bring up the script menu, I can see copy script and paste script. Those do exactly what they say. This copies the script of the object. This will paste whatever's in the clipboard into the script of the object. One thing that's important to note is that it doesn't do any validation on that. So if there's a syntax error in what you paste into the script, that can trip you up and cause problems. I can also tell it to put the handler list. We'll see if this fits in the recording, but here's the message box, and it puts a list of all of the handlers in the script and all of the handlers in the behavior. There's no behavior for this button, so there's nothing in that list. I can also edit the script of the object. So if I do that, it'll bring up the script editor with the script for that particular button. But it's smarter than that. Navigator also displays a list of the handlers in the script for that control, and I can select any one of those, and if I select that handler, it'll open the script for that object in a script editor, and it'll jump directly to that handler in the script editor. The scripts show up in alphabetical order unless you hold down the Shift key, in which case they show up in the order that they are in the script. Other than that, the functionality is the same. Navigator also has the ability to send messages to an object. So if I go here to send, I can send a mouse up to the object. So the script for that button will just reply with an answer dialog if I hit mouse up. So that's the mouse up handler. I can also send custom functions that reply with a value, and it displays the value in a field where you can copy them out. I can also do commands with arguments. So test argument of button with script, set X to 14 and set Y to 27 and set Z to 98. And the script of the button is designed to return the values that were handed in. So there they are. I can also call functions with values. And this is done using dispatch, so you can put anything you want into those values to hand them into the function. You can also send get and set prop commands. So the set prop for my prop will take the value that I hand in, 13 in this case, double it and set the property to that. So if I do a get prop on that one, it'll now say 26. The menu is designed to handle the object script and the behavior. So if I select an object with a behavior, the handlers in the behavior script for that object come up, and if I select one of those, I edit it automatically. There it is, selected to that handler in the behavior script. And if an object has both its own script and a behavior, then the script handlers show up first, and then the behavior handlers show up after that. So that is it for the script menu in Navigator. Thanks. We'll see you the next time.